Commodore Dunbrook. And this here is my friend, Titillating Tyrone. We've probably been friends for about, what dear, 6 years? Yeah, 6 years or so. And we've had quite the explosive relationship, let me tell you. Oh, stop it, honey. He always tells me that I'm beautiful, but I don't believe him. This is one of the things. Honey, just drink your drink, okay? All right. We're going to take a shot of Say Vo. And hopefully that'll loosen the mood for later, if you know what I mean. Or don't you? All right, baby cakes. Here's to our 1-year anniversary. Cheers to you.
So cool.
You bitch. You did not drink this shot on our anniversary? Are you serious right now? I will choke you with these Christmas lights. Okay? I'll take it. That's fine. Happy anniversary. As you can see, he's quite difficult to deal with. I can't even tell you how much trouble I have with him. Now you're just getting a glimpse of like what our life is about, and it's going to be so much more to tell you because this person is unpredictable. He doesn't know how to open his mouth. Shut up, dog. Bloodlust is all I can think about when it comes to my damn dog. Yeah, I know. Yeah, you're gonna get that too. I got a boy dog who's gay. And there's only room for one of us there, Barney. Okay? Go on home now. Anyway, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, or Tyrone just might fist you.